afternoon, guys. Nandito kami ngayon sa childcare nurse?
Yep.
Childcare?
Yep.
Nurse kasi ano na 2 years old check for my baby. So they will just see what he's been eating, what he's been doing. You know, his progress as a 2-year-old. So ayun, nandito na kami.
You say, here we are. Say hello. Hello. You say hello. Say hello.
Hello, gorgeous. How are you?
Hello.
Hello. He said, "Oh, what can I destroy in this room?"
You come
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good, thank you.
I'm just going to do everything as I are, I guess. Oh, my skin, I get cracks and splits in it because my hands get very dry from my tools that I use for it. No, I said that they bring it, she said, you know, we've never brought it. Sorry. You know, it's always that he doesn't want to eat. We just... Bus.
Bus. The bus. nasa bahay na kami. Kaka-pull up lang namin sa sasakyan. Ayan, tapos kailangan namin magmadali kasi nandito yung, mama ng asawa ko. So, ayan. Everything was all good according... Everything was all good according to the nurse. So, yeah, everything's alright. Baby's healthy. He's growing perfect. Please, so, ayan. Let's go. Kasi nandito na si mom-in-law. He's, she's in a hurry. So, ayan, let's go. Let's go. Where's Nana?
Nana.
You got a key?
Yeah. It'll be open.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Nana. How you doing? Oh, want coffee? Is it Pope Catholic?
Pope Catholic?
Oh, my coffee for Nana.
You been a good boy? Hey.
Gawa ko coffee para kay Nana, guys. Wait. Tapos na kami manood ng movie, guys. Tapos nagluto ako ng fried rice. Ano na kasi? Late na ngayon. Para nang malapit na mag 9 o'clock ng gabi. Nanood kami ng movie. Nakalimutan namin yung oras. Pero, ayan. Kausap ko rin yung mga kaibigan ko. Sa, messenger lang kami nag-usap-usap. So, ayan, nagluto ako ng fried rice. Ito yun. Ayan, masarap na yung baby ko, maingay. Kumakain na siya ng fried rice. Binibigyan ng asawa ko. So, ngayon, mag-serve lang ako ng pagkain para kay Habi. So, ayan lang siya. Yan, wait lang. Yan. Wow, good boy, feeding himself. Look our baby.
Wow, the spoon. Good boy.
Wow, eating his dinner.
Clever.
Okay.
Clever, Jake.
Good boy eating his dinner.
Have you got your spoon? Left hand. Look.
Yeah, left hand. Careful. Oh, Filipino style.
Oh. This is really interesting, darling. Listen to it.
Wow, good boys. In your bedroom. In your bedroom. Come on. Alright, pagod na yung baby ko. So, time for his nap. Nandito si Nana. Pero aalis din siya agad. Ayan, let's go. Nana, sir. Come on. Lie down. Lie down. Cuddle, daddy. Love you. When you wake up later, we'll go play, okay? Yeah? Alright. Good night. Love you. Bye. It's now 10, ano ba yung time na yun, na ngayon? Parang 11 o'clock na guys ng gabi. Pinatulog ko na si baby. Nag-enjoy siya sa dinner namin kanina, yung fried rice na niluto ko. Sobrang gusto niya talaga yung fried rice. Ayan, kita nyo ba yung liig ko guys? Sobrang makati siya. Yung allergy ko na naman, umaatake na naman. Pero, ayun, sobrang kati niya. Kasi nga allergy ako sa mga prawns, sa chicken, sa eggs, ganon. So, kung kakain ako ng prawns today, dapat, in the next few days or at least a week, pwede na ako kakain ng either chicken or yung itlog. Dapat hindi kasi, successive, pero parang lately, kumakain ako ng prawns all the time. Di pa naman ako kumain ng chicken. Oh, chicken pala. Kumain ako ng chicken. Ayan. Tapos, ito na yung resulta. Pero anyway, guys. Late na ngayon. Matutulog na kami. Yung asawa ko nandito natutulog na. Pero, ayan na. Thank you for watching on my video, guys. And we'll see you again on my next video.